How to install thin brick the smart way. Thin brick is a popular choice for interior and exterior wall cladding due to its durability, affordability, and aesthetic appeal. If you're looking to install thin brick, you're in the right place. In this article, we'll walk you through the steps to install thin brick the smart way. Prepare the surface. The first step to installing thin brick is to prepare the surface. Make sure the surface is clean, dry, and free of debris. If the surface is rough or uneven, use a concrete patching compound to level it out. Apply adhesive. Once the surface is ready, it's time to apply the adhesive. Choose an adhesive that is specifically designed for thin brick, such as a modified thinset. Apply a uniform layer of adhesive to the surface, making sure to cover all areas where the thin brick will be placed. Cut the thin brick. Thin brick can be cut to fit into tight spaces or around electrical outlets. Use a masonry saw or tile cutter to make the cuts, and then lay the thin brick into place, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Apply grout. After all the thin brick is in place, it's time to apply the grout. Use a non-sanded grout specifically designed for thin brick and fill in the gaps between the brick. Clean the brick. Once the grout has dried, use a damp cloth to wipe down the surface of the thin brick to remove any excess grout. Seal the brick. Finally, seal the brick to protect it from moisture and stains. Choose a sealant that is specifically designed for thin brick and apply it according to the manufacturer's instructions.